Do you ever stay awake at night, replaying past mistakes or worrying about the future? Does your mind feel like a hamster wheel, spinning endlessly but getting nowhere? You're not alone. Overthinking is a common struggle, but here's the truth: it's stealing your life, one moment at a time. Imagine a life where you're fully present, at peace with the past, and unconcerned with the uncertainties of tomorrow. That life is possible, and today, we're going to uncover how to make it yours. So first we need to know, what is overthinking? Overthinking isn't just thinking too much, it's getting stuck in a cycle of analysis, self-doubt, and worry. It paralyzes you, making even the smallest decisions feel overwhelming. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. The more you try, the harder it gets. Number 1, the cost of overthinking. Overthinking doesn't just waste time, it drains your energy and robs you of the present moment. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and even physical health issues like headaches or insomnia. Worse, it keeps you from experiencing life's beauty, the laughter, the connections, the small victories. Number 2, why living in the moment matters. The present moment is all we truly have. It's where life happens, where joy resides, and where growth occurs. When you're present, you're free from the weight of the past and the fear of the future. You're fully alive. Living in the now improves focus, reduces stress, and enhances your overall well-being. Number 3, steps to stop overthinking. So, how do you break free from the grip of overthinking? Here are 5 practical steps to get started. Step 1, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness anchors you to the present. Start by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Mindfulness isn't about silencing your thoughts, it's about observing them without judgment. Step 2, limit your what-ifs. Replace, what if this goes wrong, with, what's the next small step I can take? Step 3, challenge negative thoughts. When a thought stresses you out, ask, is this fact or fear? Replace fear with action. Step 4, take action. Overthinking thrives in inaction. Instead of thinking, start doing. Even small steps make a difference. Step 5, celebrate small wins. Recognize and reward yourself for even minor progress. This builds momentum and confidence. Overthinking is like carrying a heavy backpack on a long hike. It slows you down and makes the journey harder than it needs to be. But you have the power to put it down. You have the ability to live fully, freely, and joyfully in the moment. Life is happening right now. Don't let it pass you by. Take control, and start living in the moment today.